Imagine trying to climb stairs, carry groceries, or even stand up from a chair, only to feel your muscles gradually weakening and your strength fading. As we age, many of us face the silent but serious threat of muscle loss, sarcopenia, a condition that diminishes mobility, independence, and quality of life. But here's the hopeful news. Muscle loss is not inevitable. With the right approach and the power of nutrition, you can slow down and even reverse this decline. And after years of research and clinical practice, I've discovered that the foods you eat can be your most potent weapon against muscle deterioration. Groundbreaking studies in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition and research from top universities have shown that specific nutrients help repair, rebuild, and preserve muscle tissue even as we grow older. Today, I'm going to reveal 6 powerful foods that every senior must eat to protect your muscles and maintain your strength for years to come. Stay with me until the end, where I'll also share key lifestyle tips to further boost your muscle health. If you find this information helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. Together, we can build a future where age is just a number and strength remains your ally. Number 1. Walnuts, nature's omega-3 powerhouse. Walnuts are small but mighty nuts, loaded with essential nutrients that support not only heart health but also muscle preservation. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, walnuts play a critical role in reducing chronic inflammation, a major contributor to muscle breakdown. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition has shown that omega-3s help reduce inflammatory markers by up to 20%, which in turn slows the muscle degradation process. Additionally, walnuts contain vitamin E and polyphenols, antioxidants that protect muscle cells from oxidative stress. Oxidative damage is a significant factor in the natural aging process and muscle deterioration. Furthermore, walnuts provide a moderate amount of plant-based protein, an important consideration for seniors whose bodies are less efficient at processing protein. Whether you snack on them raw, sprinkle them over your morning oatmeal, or incorporate them into salads, walnuts offer a simple yet effective way to nourish your muscles, support recovery, and help maintain overall strength. Number 2. Quinoa, the complete plant protein. Quinoa stands out among plant-based foods because it is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot produce on its own. This makes quinoa an ideal choice for seniors, as the ability to synthesize protein decreases with age. According to research in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, consuming complete proteins can stimulate muscle protein synthesis and help prevent muscle breakdown by as much as 15%. 1 cup of cooked quinoa provides approximately 8 grams of high-quality protein, along with beneficial fiber, magnesium, iron, and B vitamins. Magnesium, in particular, is essential for muscle contraction and relaxation, while iron ensures efficient oxygen transport to muscle tissues. The steady, slow-digesting carbohydrates in quinoa also contribute to stable energy levels throughout the day, reducing the risk of fatigue that often accompanies muscle loss. Its versatility allows you to substitute quinoa for white rice, mix it into salads, or enjoy it as a warm breakfast bowl, making it a delicious and nutrient-dense addition to your diet. Number 3. Brown rice, the steady energy source. Unlike its refined counterpart, white rice, brown rice retains its nutrient-rich bran and germ, making it a superior source of complex carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals. Studies published in the Journal of Nutrition indicate that brown rice's slow-digesting carbohydrates help provide a gradual, sustained release of energy, crucial for muscle function and endurance. This steady energy supply prevents the sudden crashes associated with high-sugar foods, allowing your muscles to perform optimally throughout the day. Brown rice is also a rich source of magnesium, which not only aids in muscle contraction, but also helps prevent cramps and stiffness, common issues for seniors. Furthermore, its B vitamin content is vital for converting food into energy and supporting muscle recovery. Whether served as a side dish, mixed with vegetables and lean proteins, or used as the base for a hearty stir-fry, brown rice offers a balanced and robust foundation that fuels your muscles and supports your overall mobility. Number 4. Blueberries, the antioxidant muscle repairer. Blueberries are celebrated for their potent antioxidant properties, making them one of nature's best foods for combating muscle aging. They are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help neutralize free radicals responsible for oxidative damage to muscle fibers. Research from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition has demonstrated that anthocyanin-rich diets can reduce muscle inflammation and improve recovery times by up to 15%. Blueberries also contain vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis, a key factor in maintaining the structural integrity of muscles, tendons, and ligaments. In addition, blueberries support overall vascular health, ensuring that oxygen and nutrients reach your muscles efficiently. Whether enjoyed fresh, added to a post-workout smoothie, or mixed into yogurt, blueberries serve as a convenient, delicious way to boost muscle repair and protect against the gradual decline in strength that accompanies aging. Number 5. Flax seeds, the tiny inflammation fighter. Flax seeds may be small in size, but they are a powerhouse of nutrients critical for maintaining muscle health. Rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a plant-based omega-3 fatty acid, flax seeds help reduce chronic inflammation, a major factor in muscle loss. Studies published in the Journal of Lipid Research indicate that ALA can help lower inflammatory markers, thereby promoting a healthier muscle environment and speeding up recovery after physical activity. Flax seeds are also an excellent source of dietary fiber, which supports digestion and improves nutrient absorption, ensuring that your body effectively utilizes the protein and other nutrients you consume. Moreover, these seeds provide a modest amount of plant-based protein, contributing to the muscle repair process. For optimal benefits, it's best to consume ground flax seeds, as they are easier to digest and absorb. Sprinkle them on your oatmeal, blend them into smoothies, or mix them into yogurt to add a nutritious boost that combats inflammation and supports sustained muscle strength. Number 6. Cottage cheese, the slow-digesting protein powerhouse. Cottage cheese is often underestimated, yet it's one of the most effective foods for preserving muscle mass, especially as we age. It is rich in casein protein, a slow-digesting protein that provides a steady release of amino acids over several hours. Research in the Journal of Nutrition highlights that casein is particularly beneficial when consumed before bed, as it helps prevent overnight muscle breakdown and supports continuous muscle repair during sleep. A typical serving of cottage cheese offers around 25 grams of high-quality protein, along with calcium and B vitamins that are essential for bone health and energy production. These nutrients work together to promote muscle strength, prevent injuries, and maintain overall physical function. Cottage cheese is versatile too. Enjoy it on its own, mix it with fruits for a refreshing snack, or use it as a creamy addition to whole-grain toast. For those with lactose intolerance, low-sodium, lactose-free versions are available to ensure that everyone can benefit from its muscle-preserving properties. Lifestyle strategies to combat muscle loss. While the 6 foods we've discussed, walnuts, quinoa, brown rice, blueberries, flax seeds, and cottage cheese, are crucial for preserving muscle mass, they work best as part of a holistic lifestyle approach. Here are some science-backed lifestyle strategies to complement your dietary choices. Prioritize strength training. Resistance exercises such as bodyweight squats, wall push-ups, and resistance band workouts are proven to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. Studies have shown that even moderate strength training performed 2 to 3 times per week can slow muscle loss and improve overall mobility. Keep moving throughout the day. Sedentary behavior accelerates muscle deterioration. Incorporate regular physical activity into your routine. Short walks, light stretching, or gardening can help maintain muscle tone and support joint health. Research indicates that breaking up long periods of sitting can significantly reduce the risk of muscle weakness. Ensure quality sleep. Muscle repair and recovery occur predominantly during sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of high-quality sleep per night. Research has linked adequate sleep with improved muscle recovery and lower cortisol levels, cortisol being a hormone that can contribute to muscle breakdown. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration is vital for muscle function. Even mild dehydration can lead to cramps and reduced muscle performance. Drinking water consistently throughout the day, along with consuming water-rich foods, helps keep your muscles properly fueled and ready for action. Manage stress. Chronic stress increases cortisol levels, which in turn can accelerate muscle loss. Engage in stress-reducing activities such as meditation, deep breathing, yoga, or any hobby that relaxes you. Lower stress levels can have a profound impact on muscle preservation and overall well-being. Social engagement. Staying socially active has been linked with better physical and mental health outcomes. Regular interaction with family, friends, or community groups encourages movement and can reduce feelings of isolation, which may indirectly contribute to maintaining muscle strength. Remember, each of these lifestyle changes, no matter how small, contributes to a cumulative effect that supports muscle health and overall vitality. In summary, muscle loss is not an unavoidable part of aging. It's a challenge that you can overcome with the right choices. Today, we explored 6 powerhouse foods: walnuts, quinoa, brown rice, blueberries, flax seeds, and cottage cheese that provide essential nutrients to help slow, halt, or even reverse the decline in muscle mass. Supported by rigorous studies in the Journal of Nutrition, Journal of Lipid Research, and other reputable sources, these foods offer a natural, effective way to nourish your muscles and maintain your strength, mobility, and independence. However, nutrition is only one piece of the puzzle. Adopting a holistic lifestyle that includes regular strength training, staying active throughout the day, prioritizing quality sleep, maintaining proper hydration, managing stress, and staying socially engaged all play crucial roles in preserving muscle health. Together, these practices create a powerful synergy that not only helps prevent sarcopenia, but also enhances your overall quality of life. I encourage you to start implementing these dietary and lifestyle changes today. Whether it's adding a handful of walnuts to your breakfast, swapping white rice for brown rice, or taking a few minutes each day to stretch and strengthen your muscles, every small step brings you closer to a future where you remain strong, independent, and full of energy. Please share your thoughts and progress in the comments below. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more science-backed advice on healthy aging. Your strength and independence are in your hands. Let's work together to build a future where aging gracefully is not just a dream, but a reality. Thank you for watching, and here's to a stronger, healthier tomorrow.